Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make milk kefir. First, gather your essential supplies: active milk kefir grains, about 2 cups of fresh milk, and a clean glass jar. Make sure your jar and all utensils are thoroughly clean and free of any soap residue, which can harm the grains. You'll also need a non-metal spoon for stirring and a fine mesh strainer for separating the grains later. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's combine the ingredients. Gently place 1 to 2 tablespoons of your active milk kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Next, pour 1 to 2 cups of fresh milk over the grains. You can use whole milk for a creamier result. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a breathable cloth, secured with a rubber band, to allow air circulation. Let this mixture ferment at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours, depending on your desired tanginess. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to separate the grains. Gently stir the thickened kefir in the jar. Then, pour the entire mixture through a fine mesh, non-metal strainer into a clean bowl. The milk kefir grains will be caught in the strainer, while the finished kefir liquid passes through. These grains are now ready to be used for your next batch, so handle them with care. The delicious, probiotic-rich liquid is your fresh milk kefir. After straining, transfer your fresh milk kefir to a sealed container and store it in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh and delicious for about 5 to 7 days. If you're taking a break from brewing, you can rinse your grains gently with non-chlorinated water and store them in a small amount of milk in the fridge for up to 1 week. Enjoy your homemade milk kefir plain, or blend it into your favorite smoothies for a healthy boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.